Hello from Slovenia again. I'm just playing today. So I have this Slovenian product. It's a satin finish, and it is a paint for wood and metal, and I will try to do a bloom with that. So let's see what will happen. Okay, enough I think. And I have some of these little piggy pigments. So this one is velvet, and they are mixed with untinted base and polyurethane, Minwax polycrilic. So velvet, and this is just Amsterdam greenish blue. And this one is funky, funk. These little piggy pigments. And the last one is mermaid. This little piggy again. Okay. And I will use white cell activator. It's mixed with Australian floetrol. Okay, so let's blow this out. Doesn't flow. Obviously this will not work. Too much cell activator, I think. Let's try to tilt this a little bit. It doesn't keep the shape, obviously. I think that I had way too much cell activator. Let's try to do it once more. I will just add just a little black here because I have a lot of paint already. Okay, just drizzle like that, not in particular shape or something. Just to see. This will be better. I was probably totally off camera. I will just try to do some swirls around here because I don't like that. Okay, maybe I will just leave it like it is, but probably I have too much paint on this coaster. But I will try to leave it to dry. And see. And what I am thinking, I will just grab another coaster. Real quick. And I will just pour this black base on. And I will tilt it this time. And I will just use this white cell activator and that velvet iridescent color. Nera! Okay, you see my face into this. Have to change my gloves. So I will just add this velvet, this little piggy pigment, and white cell activator, of course. Okay. Well, let's see what will happen. I will add just cell activator without anything here, and see, this is just, you know, playing with. Now I will go once more with a little bit of velvet. They mess it up totally. Let's see what will happen if I dip these two together. Oh. Okay. Let's add just a little of this black. Paint. And I will just clean my stick on the other one, and I will dip them together. I will add some cell activator and this velvet underground and some cell activator again. Let's see, have a ton of paint already here. Let's see what will happen. Wow, I like this, have to say. And this time I will add black on both. I just love how this velvet looks. Wow. But not a lot of black, so I will just basically wet my MDF coaster. This is 4 by 4 inch coaster. Okay, just a little more. Okay, and the other one. This velvet looks amazing on the black. I'm just so impressed, so just want to see this will work out here too. Okay, and now I will drizzle some cell activator first, both, and velvet underground. Didn't yet know who the velvet underground and Lurid and Nico are, and some cell activator again. Let's see if this will work. Press together. Oop. And tear apart. I probably added too much cell activator, but you see this velvet? Wow! This little piggy pigments velvet on black. I probably should have show you this with a flash or something, because it's just amazing how it looks. It shimmers from violet to turquoise almost to blue. Amazing. And this is the first one. And this is the dip double dip that I fell in love with. This little piggy pigments velvet. It's just amazing. So, wow. So sad that I can't show you. Maybe this way, no. How sparkly and gorgeous this one is. I love it. I love it. So this was a day with me, not, you know, that's how my table looks when I just play with paints, but want to show you that. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!